Document language not correct? If your institution has purchased various language packets, then you can swap to the language of the document. You will want to use the language that matches the document language. Click on the language tool which is on the far right of your document when you have opened it and read Speaker Doc Reader. You'll see the various languages that are available at your institution. Let's look at this document. It is written in English. However, we see American English, Australian English and British English. Let's listen to the first line using a male American English voice, and then a female American English voice. First the male voice.
Doc Reader is used for reading many Office and PDF files.
Now the female voice. Doc Reader is used for reading many Office and PDF files. Select the language, and then listen to your documents.